everyone, my name is Albert-fang, and today I will explain the probability homework 10 and the question 1. And the question 1, they have division a lot of question, and the first is Poisson process, Poisson increment, Poisson impulse, and a semi-random telephone signal, and a random telegraph signal, and random walk, and the linear process. So the first is the Poisson process. It's the number of the T1 and T2 of the points in the interval T1 and T2. So the probability T1 and T2 is K, is this equation, and this is a first order probability mass. And the mean is expectation of x of t is equal lambda t. And the autocorrelation is lambda squared T1, T2 plus lambdas minimized between T1 and T2, and the minus T1 and T2 which are from the property of independent increment. So, and the second question is the Poisson increment. So the increment of Poisson is defined this equation: y of t is x t plus lambda and minus x of t. So the first order is probability y of t is this, and the autocorrelation is have two different types. First is if the T1 minus T2 modulo is bigger than this, or the T1 and T2 modulo is more than this. The equation will be lambda squared or lambda squared plus this one. So the increment process is introduced to prepare us to define Poisson's impulse process, which lambda goes to 0, the triangle become an impulse with areas lambda. And the second question is Poisson impulse. The impulse of Poisson, I draw a picture and can help us easily explain this concept. And it's this one. So the process z of t minus lambda has 0 means, and the autocorrelation is this, is the lambda impulse T1 and T2. And the fourth question is the semi-random telegraph signal. The semi-random telegraph signal is x of t. If x is even or the x is odd, they will have different output, is 1 and -1. So the autocorrelation are T1, T2 is this equation is exponential. Sorry, this is lambda and -2 lambda T1 minus T2 modulus. And the final question is random telegraph signal. So we can see the final question random telegraph signal is y of t is equal a x of t. Is p probability a is 1 is equal probability a is -1. So this probability is same, so it will become 1 of 2. So this make us guess y of t maybe autocorrelation is this equation. Yes, it's the same about this. So it's exponential -2 lambda modulo T1 minus T2, strict sense stationary. And the sixth question is random walk. The random walk is toss a fair coin n time, and k is the number of the head in n toss. So the is x n of t is ks minus n minus k, s is 2k minus n, and o module o time s. Sorry. And the question 7 is linear process. The linear process is w of t is limited x of t. So we can see where xt is a random walk. We can see this equation, and the expectation of w of t is 0. Thank you, everyone.